Here's a daily tip that can change how you tackle those hidden, hard-to-reach messes in your home. A method that keeps your floors spotless without the usual hassle. Stick around because this quick insight might just save you time every day. Hi everyone, James here from Tool Time with James. Today we're diving deep into a really clever cleaning tool that's been changing the game in home care. I'm breaking down the good and the not so good to help you decide if it fits your needs. First up, the 180-degree lie-flat design is a real winner. This vacuum cleaner reaches places most cannot, sliding under furniture as low as 5.5 inches. It's perfect for grabbing dust and dirt hiding where your usual cleaning tools can't reach, making it a dream for a thorough clean. Next is the strong suction power that doesn't drop even when the vacuum mop is flat on the floor. Thanks to a special motor design that keeps dirty water separated, it consistently pulls up debris and wet messes with impressive reliability, ensuring your floors get the attention they deserve. One feature I can't overlook is the self-cleaning system. The brush roller cleans itself with 140 degrees hot water, washing away grime thoroughly, then dries super quick in about 5 minutes. It's a huge time saver because you don't have to spend extra effort cleaning the brush yourself. Lastly, the dual rotation with a resilient scraper is a smart design touch. The brush spins clockwise and counterclockwise like you would when hand washing, which helps detangle hair and debris effectively. This keeps maintenance simple and prevents clogs, making the cleaner last longer. On the downside, although it handles sticky messes well, the unit can be a bit on the heavier side compared to other cordless vacuums, which might cause some strain during extended cleaning sessions, especially if you have a large area to cover. Another point to consider is the brush cleaning cycle itself. While highly effective, the 5-minute drying time between uses could slow down your cleaning routine if you need to clean multiple areas in one go without breaks. To wrap things up, the Dreame H14 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner impresses with its smart design and efficiency. It's particularly suited for those who want deep cleaning under furniture and a quick, hassle-free brush maintenance system. If you struggle with sticky spills or hard-to-reach dust, this might be exactly what you need to keep your floors pristine with less effort. Check the link in the description below for the best prices and deals, and see if this smart floor cleaner could be your new cleaning ally. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what content you'd like to see next, so drop your ideas in the comments. Until next time, this is James on Tool Time with James.